it's Brian Rivas here with Brianna Rose 89.
Hello.
And I still have the hiccups. Alright, we are in Little Big Planet again. Stop like down.
I'm not.
Yes you are. They can't hear you there. Please. Alright, ready? Let's go.
Of course I'm ready.
Yeah, right. She thinks she's ready. Oh my gosh.
I'm always ready.
The hiccups.
My head is spinning round. You spin my hair.
What? It's really dark. Be quiet. It's a temple. It's a temple. Oh. It's the temple of the upside.
Don't use faithful dog. He carries a light and will follow you to the light, your path. He will give you a ride if you hop on his back. Aw.
It's a big hairy dog.
Oh, wait, no, don't leave us. Don't leave us. Don't leave us. Don't leave us.
Ah!
Bless you.
That was probably so loud. I'm so sorry. What are you doing to the poor
Let's
dog?
go.
Yeah, he gotta get off.
Why? Oh, we can't get on it.
This is the temple of the upside down monkeys. They train here. Oh, you should probably watch out. Wait, get on the dog. Okay. What are you doing, you stupid dog? Is this? We're gonna stop here. We're gonna end it here. Get off the dog.
Oh.
We can't really see. The dog is a mute to the sharp objects. Okay, we obviously need to ride the dog here, right? Get off me, dog! See? Such a nice dog.
Mm-hmm.
Stay on the dog. You're gonna need to stay on the dog because he's gonna give us a boost. There you go. Thank you, doggy. Well, I just realized that mummy has eyes and it's open. Oh wait for the dog. Wait. Wait for the dog.
I can't get there, can I?
Doggy. Oh, we're supposed to. I'm an idiot.
Push him back.
Beep.
Push him back. Oh,
He's smart enough. Come on, dog. Come on, dog. Dog. Stupid dog. No, get the. What are you doing?
Keep on going. He follows you.
Come on. There you go. You have the light. We need that light. Get back. Told you. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm not.
Get the. He's pushing you.
Are you kidding me?
Get the. I had to laugh. I'm so sorry.
Stop.
I can't die. What are you doing, you stupid dog?
You can't go until you go.
Come on, right here. I almost didn't make it. Oh, here, I lift you. Get him, dog.
Okay.
Oh, come on. Got it. Got it. Come on, dog. Come on, man.
Get out of my way, you stupid dog.
Alright, move. Look, this thing has eyes. Don't you think it's a little creepy?
It is very confusing.
Alright, we gotta wait for the dog. Dog! I thought you were supposed to be man's best friend, man. You're not helping us at all. Alright, there you go. Oh, there you go. Oh, wait, this is supposed to be a trapdoor. Wait, I think, wait, the dog's gonna end here. He's gonna die. We gotta save him, Bree. We can't undie here.
Save him.
Get over here, now. Stupid dog, get over here. There you go. Smart dog. Alright, he's gonna die here. We gotta save him. Don't worry, dog, we got you. Don't worry, dog, we got you. Oh!
Haha.
Doggy, no! Oh, poor dog. You died.
Nice.
Nice, that was a nice fun ride.
Yeah.
What in the world happened there? Alright, we're probably gonna die in one of these next episodes and we're gonna lose so bad. Okay, that was pure luck and I'm still...
Yeah.
We're in so much sync right now. Oh my gosh, no! It's all up to you.
Yeah.
Keep it going, keep it going, keep it. What is that?
Can't
Jump.
see.
So intense. Oh, pull that thing. Pull it. Pull it.
Girl, I got this. Ooh,
Girl?
ooh.
Am I a girl to you?
Yes, you are. I don't consider you a guy. Oh,
You just completely happen to miss those pink socks.
can't get it over there. Yeah.
Right, jump, please. Jeez, calm down. I don't.
If you're wondering, I am a girl.
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't think of you as a boy. Oh my gosh.
What do you think of me? As a boy?
Oh, are you two? Are you? Oh wait, wait.
Let me get down there.
Are you the rescue party? I got lost and I'm too exhausted to walk into the steps. He's a.
He's a fat egg.
Oh my goodness. All right, I'll drag him and you get up top and you clear the
Sorry.
way. I'll drag you clear.
Wait.
Oh, I thought you fell off.
Oh yeah, cause I'm. Oh wait.
Wait, how are we supposed to do this? You suck.
Wait.
Forget him. Who needs him? Oh gosh. I'm.
Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you.
I was hanging on to you, you know. All right, here, got it. Fall. Wait, not yet. Now fall.
Yeah.
Wait, we gotta get Humpty.
The fat guy.
We gotta get him.
I'll get him.
I got him. You clear the way,
Okay.
or we can both get him.
No, I'm not holding him.
What is this supposed to do? Oh, press the button. Press the button.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, come on. Why is it?
Go down.
I can't. Oh. Go down. Go down. Go on.
You're supposed to press down X. If you didn't know.
I
Humpty.
did
Let's go. Oh, get the flags.
Yeah, I'll get him. I'll get him.
Humpty has a light on his butt.
Can't see it.
Press back X. Right. I guess we can't get him. Whatever. Who cares? Run.
Why are you going so fast? I can't see.
I'll see you outside. He's too large. Don't worry, Humpty. We'll make you fit.
Oh.
We'll make you fit, Humpty. I guess we can't make it fit. Oh, pfft. Grab it.
Yeah.
You're skilled at this.
Of course I am.
You have to put the, I don't know, something, stickers.
Do you have to? I don't think
I don't know, you don't do that. Yeah, you missed it.
Oh.
You went the wrong way, and I saw it to be. Don't die. Hey, how's it going?
What?
So what floor are you going to? Come quick, Frida's finally lost it. She's on a rampage with her
Wait.
Skulldozer.
Oh, I remember this part. Oh my gosh! Don't remember that much. But
Yeah.
okay, that was like, girl.
Wait for me!
Oh, I'm up there? I thought I was the person down there. Thought I sucked that bad.
When she came out of the TV like, you're killing us, and she ripped out your guts, and
That would be so awesome. Okay, so you could do like.
I won again. Oh, pfft, I hit you in the face again.
Ah.
I feel it. We almost died like twice. So I feel like we're about to.
How do I do it? How do I hit you?
You won, or I won. You hold this, you hold R2, and then you move this. Uh-oh. My favorite one is the car one, because when you're in that car, you feel free. You feel alive. You feel like you're in Vegas. You can't slap me here, Brianna. You have to bring it all the way across your body. So you need to go like...
Hey, you know what?
Other way.
Wait.
You press L2 for that one. Oh!
Yay!
Alright, let's go. Wait. Oh, I didn't have a smile on in time. Poor Frida thinks she's been what? Can you read that? I don't get. She's
Poor
destroying
Frida
everything
thinks
in her.
Just destroying everything in her path. Scoldos run away very fast.
I guess we. Oh. Oh my god. She's gonna be running from her.
Okay, go.
Last one to win dies.
Last one to win is on next.
Oh my goodness. Alright, I get the high ground. Oh gosh, no, I guess not. Oh my gosh, we should really get the high ground. Alright, I got the high ground. Oh, you're winning though. Oh my gosh, I'm about to die. Oh my god. Oh, you lost, you died. Oh, there you are.
Oh, no.
Oh, you're still alive?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I barely survived that. What the heck? No! Oh no, no, Peter!
Oh my gosh, I'm winning!
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Where am I? I don't even see myself.
You keep dying and then reviving. Oh my goodness, everything's collapsing.
Everything is falling!
Run! Frida, calm down. We can work this out.
What happened to her? Why is she like that again?
She thinks her husband, or she was getting married, and then her husband wasn't found. Oh my goodness. You won? Oh no, you died.
Oh wow.
Oh, I think this is it.
You died.
Yes! Oh. Was that it? That was fun. Thank you for saving our wedding. You're welcome. That was easy. High five. High five. Over here, up top. Come on. Come on. Oh, I'm so sorry. High five.
Ready? Want a high five?
Yeah. Oh. I win again. Cause you. Oh. I landed on my shark face. My face planted on the ground. Take that.
You don't hit girls.
I got hiccups again. Dang it.
We have time for one more level.
Oh, this is the worst one.
Oh, okay. That's good.
This is the one with the cactus. Oh my gosh. Worst one right here. Worst one. I'm calling it.
Reunited and feels so good. Okay, we
What
reunited
the
as a
heck?
married couple.
Let's see. Oh yeah. Stop. What are you talking? No. What are you doing? Look. We're loading.
Yeah. Yeah.
They're playing patty cake.
Oh my gosh, what is she doing?
Let's play
She's
patty
like
cake.
murdering.
Let's play patty cake. Wait, let's play patty cake.
Patty cake. I don't remember her. Hola. Wait, I was
I
trying to
was
read it.
trying to play patty cake with you.
Hola, the evil. Hola, the evil Sapito.
Look at him bouncing.
Hola, the evil sheriff Sapito has kidnapped.
Zapata.
Has kidnapped Uncle Jalapeno. Please help.
Oh, he's so scared. Oh, look how scared he is. Oh. He's scared too.
Reunited and this feels so good.
Oh, Timber!
I'm going down.
What the
I'm
hell?
yelling Timber, I got it.
I just saw you die. Where am I, Brianna? You'll never find me. Don't
You're
worry.
behind the...
No, you're not.
Push it, Brian.
I can't. I'm stuck behind the stupid cactus.
Oh my gosh, I'm stuck too.
Alright, I'm gonna make the jump. Made it.
I'm not gonna make it. Go.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I remember.
Oh, don't forget if you're black. Jump. Get down.
Ready? Ready?
Wait, no, wait.
Bam!
No, run.
Oh! Jump! Oh.
I was behind that. Oh, the cow. Get the cow.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw the cow at you.
Okay.
Nice shot. Alright, let's go. Don't die here. Oh my gosh, we almost died. Are you trying to get it still? This is our last chance. Okay, ready? I'm gonna blow it up, you stay here.
Okay, wait.
Ah! Get that! Ah, safe at last.
Can you move out of the way, please?
Me?
Yeah.
Was that really the fault?
Go.
There you go. That was a close call. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh wait. Oh, once you hit that button.
Prepare to be astonished.
I love how you. Yeah.
You mean the ash from the black burning fire?
Oh no. Hit the button.
Fire!
Hit the button.
What?
Yeah.
It's like a staircase formed out of explosives.
Wait.
I'm dancing. Hey, it's the fat
Can I go
sumo
inside
dude.
that? Wait. Can't go inside that?
Nope. Too bad. Too bad. Wait. There's something under there. Wait, is this the one with the rocket?
Haha, talk about the boomtown. Your precious jalapeno is in the cell. Being evil really rocks.
He likes kicking his foot around. Oh, wait.
Oh! Okay, wait for me.
What does this button do?
Wait for me.
Alright, get on. Don't worry. It's activated by when you hold it. So get on. Ready? Hold it. Oh gosh!
Sorry.
You scared the poop. Oh my gosh!
I'm not helping you. I'm not helping you.
He's in jail.
Wait, come back. Remember they open it?
No, we have to go get the boom
Alright.
to open it.
Help me, jalapeno. Oh wait, let me read it. Help me free, jalapeno. Go grab those explosives and put them over the cell. X marks the spot.
He got it, dude. Oh gosh! Ah! Wait. Oh, what?
X marks the spot. I'm sporting some very beautiful.
Oh, this X.
Oh my gosh. Are you?
You press back X and you press front X. Back X. There you go. Now you keep going. No, you keep going. There you go.
There you go, darling.
Alright.
There's a jalapeno sauce. Oh,
Oh, I see tarantulas. Hurry up, man. I'm gonna die. Ooh, my gosh, that's close. Alright, I got this
play
one.
Spanish music. You gotta go with it.
Oh gosh. It's coming down. Go get it. It's
Wait.
coming down.
It's going down. Oh my gosh, why did it go backwards?
Don't hide
Oh,
behind.
I'm trying to go forward.
Alright, get it. There. Grab it. Oh, so close. Oh my gosh. Oh, you just barely died. Oh my gosh.
I'll
We need
wait
to do
here.
this. No, come with me. It's right there.
Grab it.
Don't worry. I can't see anything with you here. Hurry up, get
Grab
closer. You're not gonna die all the way over here. See how hard was that? Okay, get away. Hurry up, get over here. This X. See? This is a safe X. Freedom. Oh. Whee! Oh, wait.
Wait.
Get the bubble.
Ryan, I said wait.
I know. I'm sorry. Just jump down.
I can't.
Alright. Impact explosives. They explode on impact. Oh, not this again. Alright, wait, okay. I'll do it. This is gonna be a long video. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we're definitely gonna continue recording after this, okay? Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.